Kalimpong, a small town engulfed with forest and villages, has a unique identity in the place of tourist destination. Silence and peace here has a different meaning. Reaching here is always a big excitement to say. To start for the destination, you will land in any one among two landing giants, Bagdogra Airport and New Jalpaiguri Railway Station. And both the places offers you sharing cab option and private car option. To take sharing cab from Bagdogra Airport and New Jalpaiguri railway station, one has to reach Siliguri by auto rickshaw or any other sharing cab from the place. From there, you can take bus by paying rupees 150 per person and SUVs like Tata Sumo or Mahindra Bolero by paying rupees 200 per person, and private car will cost you rupees 3500 for luxury category vehicle like Innova or Jailo and rupees 2500 for small car like Wagoner or similar. To know bit about Siliguri, one can say it as a hub which connects all North Bengal, Sikkim, entire northeast states, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh. It has remained major business hub to all these places over a decade. Lots of shopping malls and business exchange center can be seen in this growing business hub. Starting from Siliguri, you will come across Coronation Bridge, Tista River, NHPC hydroelectricity dams, under construction railway tunnels, and Tista Bridge till you reach hotel. Evening time can be spent in local market. Local handicraft shops and Darjeeling tea packets are available in the market, and taste of momos and noodles are unbeatable in these areas. You can also add fire with the local drink called Tongba. Places to visit in Kalimpong. Tourist taxi here including Darjeeling and Sikkim has a system of point to point basis. Once vehicle finish all the points, they will drop you to hotel or market. Taking extra service or time will cost you extra money. Durpin Monastery. Monastery was established by Drujum Rinpoche in the year 1970 and was consecrated by His Holiness Dalai Lama 6 years later. From the monastery, army helipad can be seen. Place also has a good view of Kanchenjunga and Kalimpong town. Golf ground. Being one of the largest golf courses in the country, it is completely under the control of Indian Army. Near to golf ground, you can also visit Morgan House. Guest house is under Tourism Department of West Bengal government, and the cottage was constructed by George Morgan in the year 1930. Dr. Graham's Homes School. This school has sheltered many students from various parts of India, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. School was initiated by Dr. Anderson Graham in the year 1900. He was a missionary of Scotland. School has a church inside. Delo. Delo can be called as crown of Kalimpong. It has beautiful eco park inside. You can take the pleasure of horse riding inside the park. Another adventure at Delo is paragliding. It costs rupees 3500 per person. Places to visit nearby Delo are Science City, Sherpa Viewpoint, Durga Mandir and Hanuman Mandir. Pine View Nursery. This nursery is also called as Cactus Nursery because of wide collection of cactus. They are major exporter of cactus and is open to tourists. Entry fee is Rs 20 per person. Mangal Dham. It is huge temple of God Krishna run by Pranamis. This temple has its uniqueness for well architectural design. You can extend your stay in Kalimpong by visiting nearby places like Lava, Lolegaon and Rishabh. Lolegaon, also known as Kafir, place is surrounded by dense forest. Pine is the capital tree in this forest. Forest is under the control of West Bengal Forest Department. Along with forest, you can make a short visit to Hanging Bridge where wooden bridge runs from one tree to another. And another point is Zandirana. Here you can have a nice view of sunrise and sunset. Here you can make excursion from Kalimpong or have a night stay. Hotels and homestays are available. Lava, located 32 kilometers away from Kalimpong, place has its own set of beauty. It has beautiful monastery inside the town. To explore more adventure, you can visit Change Falls, which is 15 kilometers away from Lava. You have to walk 20 minutes downward to reach falls from the vehicle stopping point. Another adventure point is Neura Valley. To reach there, you should hire local vehicle from the Lava vehicle stand. It will cost Rs 2000 per vehicle. Only SUVs like Sumo and Bolero are motorable to that place. Here also you have an option for night stay and the excursion. Rishabh. Name of the place will be more enhanced once you reach there. Birds noise will be your ringtone and long range of Kanchenjunga will be your first view. And a small trek in the forest will be your morning walk. It is also suggested to make a stay there rather making an excursion. At the end, other activities which you can perform in Kalimpong are river rafting at Tista River, visit to Monsong and Triveni. Any suggestions are always appreciated. We request you to write in comment box. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to encourage us to make more videos in future.